In this video, we will talk about how to fix keyboard not working Windows 10. Method 1. Run the keyboard troubleshooter. Click on Windows icon. Take your cursor on gear icon and open Settings. Select Update and Security. On the left side, click on Troubleshoot, then Additional Troubleshooters. Scroll it down, click on Keyboard, and run the troubleshoot. Method 2. Update or reinstall drivers. Right-click on Start, select Device Manager, expand Keyboards. Right-click on Keyboard Driver, select Update Driver, and click on Search automatically for drivers. If issue persists, right-click on Keyboard Driver and select Uninstall Device. Again, click on Uninstall. Afterwards, click on Windows icon and restart your PC. By restarting, Windows will reinstall driver automatically. So that's how you can fix keyboard not working Windows 10. If these methods didn't resolve your issue, check out other solutions linked in the I button above. See you in the next video.